Welcome to Amit Erez Photography. In this guide, we'll explore light. Light is the photographer's raw material. It can turn a dull scene into something dramatic, emotional, or clean. And in this guide, you'll learn to control it. Direct midday sun. Sharp dark shadows. High contrast. Great for dramatic effects, textures, and architectural photography. Overcast day or a white curtain. Soft, diffused shadows. Very flattering for faces. The most popular choice for portrait photography. On a bright, sunny day, look for a shaded area, under a tree, beside a building, or under an overhang. The light there will be much softer and more flattering. Warm light, yellow-orange, creates a feeling of warmth, homeliness, and intimacy. Wonderful for portraits and atmospheric shots. Cool light, white, blue, looks clean, modern, and precise. Suitable for product and architectural photography. In your camera, white balance lets you manually adjust the temperature, or let the camera decide, auto WB, the hour after sunrise and the hour before sunset. The sun is low, the light is soft and painted in golden orange. Shadows are long and interesting. This is when everything looks good. The brief minutes right after the sun disappears. The sky turns deep, mysterious blue. Perfect for urban landscape shots with street lighting. The harshest light. Experienced photographers usually avoid shooting portraits and landscapes during these hours, unless they're going for a specific effect. Use apps like PhotoPills or Sun Surveyor to plan exactly when and where golden hour will fall at your shooting location. The angle from which light arrives determines the drama and depth in your image. Same scene, same time, a different direction changes everything. Emphasizes textures and depth. Perfect for mountains, rocks, and any three-dimensional subject. Don't be afraid to shoot toward the light, backlight. If you want the subject sharp, focus on it. If you want a black silhouette, focus on the background light. Always look for the shadow, not just the light. The shadow is what gives an image depth and a sense of three dimensions. On a bright sunny day, the nearest patch of shade is your greatest asset. Place a simple object, coffee cup, apple, bottle, near a window with natural light. Photograph it 3 times. 1. Front light. You are on the light side, the subject faces you. 2. Side light. The subject is at 90 degrees to the light. Notice the shadows on the side. 3. Backlight. The subject is between you and the window. Play with exposure and see what happens. Notice how different is the mood in each. Fully controllable light source. Mimics and enhances any natural light. Reflects, diffuses, and redirects light. Essential tool for any photographer. Continuous adjustable light. Great for video and studio portraits. AI Relight. Repositions and adjusts light direction and intensity in post. No reshoot needed. Photography courses. Beginner to advanced video lessons. Self-paced, covering all photography topics. Thanks for watching. For more photography guides, visit amitphotos.com. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly photography content.